Hello? Share.
Obviously, if you want to improve your English, so you can watch English movie or cartoon. The subtitle
Will help you. Baba will improve you.
will improve your vocabulary, so you can
Read.
read English book,
Short story book.
short story book or magazine.
I think we can practice our friend speaking English our friend
With our friend. Okay.
And in front
or in front, sometimes in front.
Of mirror.
good idea. Let's try.
বলো গুড বাই বলবা না চল লেটস ট্রাই চলো ট্রাই করি
Yes.
আমি শুনি